YouTube fam, it's Dr. Yang from the In Academy here. Grab a seat on the comfortable sofa. Let's chat about what's bringing you here today and the symptoms you're experiencing right now. I want you to open your mouth. Hi, I'm Salina, the founder of the In Academy. I built a six-figure business in just 2 years using LinkedIn and LinkedIn only. We help entrepreneurs to build impactful personal brands that win eyeballs, trust, and clients, all with 100% organic marketing on LinkedIn. We help entrepreneurs to focus on what matters most, yet is often neglected. Personal brands. People buy from people. Take out all the guesswork of building a successful brand on LinkedIn. I believe in making LinkedIn work for you. Let's dive right in. Yes, your brand message is all over the place. You don't have a CO origin story. You're not talking about your offers based on transformation. You're not sending people to your LinkedIn because you're not loving it. You're not being able to communicate what you do in 8 seconds. Remember my goldfish stats? Want the bad news though? Avoiding it won't make it go away. It will only bleed into other parts of your business like sales, marketing, client satisfaction, onboarding, emails, employee retention, and so much more. Because when you wobble, your audience wobbles, which means you can't clearly communicate the value of what you do in simple and succinct manner. Your audience will definitely go to somebody else who can. But the good news is this is 100% curable. Only when you choose to make your personal brand messaging a priority. So my question for you, what are you all about? The always is broad niches like business, career, health, relationship, etc. Find the niche with the most opportunity. For example, confidence coach, business coach, assuming desired outcome. Learn new ways to weight loss. How about new way? Millions of micro niches emerging. For example, helping entrepreneurs to build a thriving six-figure business using LinkedIn as a #1 revenue driver with zero ad spend. Niche that tie it back to your origin story. Left my six-figure corporate job at LinkedIn, redefine what success really means to me, and prioritize what means in my life. Validating hero transformation. Helping women overcome stress eating and fight eating disorder. The old way has been abandoned, guys. The new way has arrived. Because in business, the best communicator wins. That's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions around your personal brand messaging, drop your question in the comments box below so that I can personally support you and answer any questions you have around LinkedIn and your personal brand. Let's make LinkedIn work for you and your business. Hey, they don't call me the LinkedIn biggest cheerleader for nothing. I'm here to provide you valuable tips to build an engaging following on LinkedIn, honest insight and perspective on how you can scale and grow your business online. If you love this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and comment. Check out everything in the links, and there's some juicy stuff waiting for you down there to help you succeed on LinkedIn in the description box below. I can't wait to see you again next week. Bye for now.